This is a 1987 Suzuki GSX400, or as it's also known, the Suzuki Impulse. Now, I'm not pulling wool over your head. A 400cc motorcycle usually is not that fun at all. But I'll let you in on a little secret. This one has 4 cylinders. That's 100 cc's per cylinder, fueled by quad 27mm carburetors and a dual overhead camshaft, resulting in a very responsive engine that can reach 13,000 RPM. And let's address the elephant in the room. Yes, the frame. Its red scaffolding designed by Hans Muth resembles the Tokyo radio tower. Now, 60 horsepower isn't all that much really, but there's something just so magical about an engine that has absolutely nothing until 10,000 RPM. Now, this bike was very experimental of its era, and it shows that this day and age. It looks very 80s, but that kind of gives it a bit of charm, don't you think? So all that, and the fact that these are getting rare and old, make it a pretty cool bike. But there's something about this one that makes it special to me. That's right, my dad built it. I went with him to Rotorua to pick the motorcycle up, and I'll be honest with you, I thought he had just made a huge mistake purchasing it. The body panels were mismatched and shattered, the engine was pink and covered in silicone sealer, the brakes were non-existent, and the previous owner had somehow bodged a dashboard from an entirely different bike. Well, actually, to come to think of it, I think the bike was pieced together out of a few different bikes. And to top it all off, the wiring was a total bird's nest. But with perseverance, digging deep in community forums, my dad managed to bring this classic back to life. He rescued this bike from scrap, and I'm so proud of him. So thank you for watching and listening to the story of my amazing dad and his insane capabilities. I hope it's inspired you to push yourself outside your comfort zone and try something a bit different. I'm a very nostalgic person, so I'm going to miss this bike a lot.